In this video, I'll show you how to install this gate handle and latch. Hi, I'm AJ, and you're watching Woodified. This is not a sponsored video. I will, however, put an affiliate link to this handle and latch in the description below. Using the link will help support my channel, and it does not cost you any extra money if you order this off Amazon. Actually, if you order anything using my link, you'll support my channel. If you'd like to learn how to build this fence, I have a playlist. I'll link that in the description, and I'll put a card up in one of the corners. Check out that playlist, how to build a privacy fence. I make DIY and woodworking videos. If you'd like to learn how to do stuff yourself, please subscribe and click the bell notification button so you don't miss any of my videos.